Hi everybody, this is Carla here of Just Vlogging Life with a chopped and remixed version of my last video at the request of a subscriber. So enjoy! Okay you guys, so I love potato chips of any kind. Popcorn, corn chips, you name it. I prefer salt over sweet snacks any day. So to have a healthy version of a potato chip, this is my healthy option nowadays. So here you see I have cut the pita bread and I'm adding the flavor of garlic to the bread. You can use a garlic bulb or garlic powder. You don't have to use both unless you'd like to use both. I just use both for the effect of this video. So then you would drizzle extra virgin olive oil, lightly brush it on both sides of the pita bread, and any seasonings you would also use on both sides of the pita bread. Here I'm adding Hidden Valley Ranch dip seasoning, which makes it even more flavorful and delicious. I like to use this baking sheet because it allows the air to flow freely through the bread while it bakes to a crispy crunch. Then you'd pop those little gals in the oven on 385 for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your liking and your visual delight. Look at that, very golden and crispy, and the aromatic scent is just as delicious as they taste. This is definitely a healthy chip option for vegans, vegetarians, pescatarians, and even keto lifestylers on their cheat day. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. And if you decide to make this light, fun, easy chip, your own personal pita chips, comment below and let me know how you like this recipe. You can always add your own whatever. If you want sea salt and Parmesan, the same flavors that you see in your market are the ones that you can make at home. And I love them because you actually know like what ingredients you're using. And delicious. I don't think you guys will be disappointed at all. So thanks for watching. This is Carla, Just Vlogging Life. I made pita chips, homemade pita chips, as a snack while I'm editing my video and watching 90 Day Fiance. So, let me get that lighting over here. Alright, you guys. I got work to do. Edit this video out. And cheers. A Sutter Home kind of dry red pairs really well with the pita. Yeah, I enjoy it. So delish. Cheers. Oh good. I haven't had a glass of wine in months. Pretty good. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. This is Carla, Just Vlogging Life. Hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, like, comment, tell everybody you know that Carla's Just Vlogging Life. All right, peace. Bye. Thanks for watching.